The Citroen C5 Aircross is the latest addition to Citroen's Aircross family of crossover compact SUVs and replaces the C4 Aircross, which stopped production in 2017. The C5 Aircross offers most safety equipment as standard, including a forward-looking camera to enable driver assist functions and has achieved 4-star in Euro NCAP safety tests. The rating increases to 5 stars with the optional Safety Plus pack that adds a radar sensor to the camera to enhance the performance for AEB City, AEB Interurban, AEB Pedestrian, and adds cyclist detection. The recommended Safety Plus pack is available in all markets and on all variants.